कर एक साथ झंडे को सलामी देंगे, सलामी दे। एक साथ राष्ट्र की शुरू करेंगे, शुरू कर।
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधितरंगा, तव शुभ नामे गावे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गावे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
एक साथ विश्राम, विश्राम।
Now I request all the dignitaries to kindly proceed in corporate office.
जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती गंगा है, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहाँ का नारा है, जहाँ मजहब भाईचारा है, वो भारत वतन हमारा है, वो भारत वतन हमारा है। Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning to all. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. On this occasion of great pride and honor, I, Snehal Paliwal, on the behalf of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, take immense pleasure to wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. It's an honor itself to honor this beautiful audience who has gathered here. I take this opportunity in welcoming the galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests and staff members for the celebration of 74th Independence Day. We celebrate this day with utmost serenity and commitment because the India independence movement is studded with the contribution of many individuals who laid down their lives for the cause of independent India. This day, we remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighter. Every state and union territory of our country celebrate this day with a great enthusiasm. Today, for this proud occasion, we are honored to have with us our today's chief guest, Honorable Shri Anil Hood, Academic and Administrative Consultant, Honorable Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, Chairman, Gaikwad Patil Group, Honorable Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Treasurer, Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, respected Dr. S.S. Rathod, Principal, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, respected Dr. Prashant Kadu, Principal, Abha Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, respected Professor Vandana Khante, Principal, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Architecture, respected Dr. Ankush Mankar, Principal, VM Institute of Engineering and Technology, respected Professor Pragati Patil, Vice Principal, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, all the respected directors, deans, respective heads of department, and all teaching and non-teaching staff. Now, I would like to request Dr. S.S. Rathod to welcome our today's chief guest, Honorable Shri Anil Hood.
Today's function. We are honored this morning by the presence of Honorable Chief Guest Shri Anil Hood Sir. He merely require any introduction, though he hails from the rural family, but his dedication and commitment raised him to the top of academics. He did his master's degree in English and his research area is Indian element in IS ILOTS literature. He joined Lokmanya Tilak Mahavidyalaya, Vani in 1970 as lecturer in English. Then he became the program officer and principal of the same college. Sir also worked in Yashwantrao Chauhan, Maharashtra Open University, Nashik as professor of English. He also handled the position of Director of Indian Knowledge Corporation, New Delhi, and was founder director of Rashtrabhasha Prachar Samiti Jnan Mandal, Wardha. He also worked as academic consultant in YCMOU. In 2012, he became the principal of Centrepoint College, Nagpur, then worked as the director of same college. In 2014, he was the director of Lion Group of Institution, Vani. And from 2015 to 2020, he worked as executive director for Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Nagpur. He also worked as the member of many committees like Academic Council, Senate, Management Council of Amravati University, Education Advisory Committee of Vasantrao Naik Pratishthan, etc. He was the life member of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Vani. He contributed to the field of academics in many ways. He participated in many national, international level workshop, conferences and seminars. He also bagged so many awards and achievements like Best Activity Award for Leprosy Eradication Action Program. Also received the trophy for meritorious services as by Director, District Governor and many more. Now, he is working as an academic and administrative consultant. We honor to have you, sir. So, I would like to call Honorable Chief Guest to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Honorable Dr. Mohan Gaikwad, Chairman Gaikwad Patil Group, Honorable Principal Rathod, Honorable Principal Kadu, Honorable Principal, my friend, young and dynamic friend Mankar, Honorable Treasurer of Vidarbha Baudeshiya Shikshan Sanstha, Nagpur, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Honorable Director Finance, Mrs. Surekha Raut, Honorable Director Admission, Dr. Geeta Padole Gaikwad, Honorable Principal, Mrs. Khante, then Mrs. Pragati Patil, as Vice Principal of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, the distinguished Corona warriors who have been kind enough to attend this program, members of the academic staff and non-academic staff, and ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I extend to all of you good wishes and my greetings on the occasion of Independence Day. Friends, I would like to be very plain and frank and honest. I shared this dais several times, spoke to the students and the faculty several times, but at this particular juncture, there is a fusion of feelings in my mind and there is commotion of emotions in my mind. Why? You may ask why. Those amongst whom I had the pleasure and privilege to work with me, they have understood the meaning what I'm going to talk about. But friends, though I am no more the member of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution Nagpur, the memories of this group, memories of the colleagues and memories of the distinguished management, honorable management, are still making tarry or rather lingering in my mind. I cannot forget the fragrance of this campus. I cannot forget the beauty of this and the ambience. And moreover, I cannot forget the love that was showered on me by my young colleagues and the honor that was bestowed on me by the eminent management of this Gaikwad group of institutions, Nagpur. That's why I say there is a fusion of feelings and a commotion of emotions in my mind. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy that on this auspicious occasion, we are going to felicitate the Corona warriors. It's a noteworthy step. It is a step which should be emulated or imitated by other organizations also. And I am indeed very glad and grateful to the management of this esteemed institution to have this sense and invite and decide to felicitate the Corona warriors. Friends, coming to the Independence Day, but before I come to the main subject, I would like to thank Pranjali for introducing me in such nice words. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are celebrating Independence Day. Most probably I am the only person in this auditorium who was born before 15th of August 1947. But I loved the young and dynamic people. And for 20 years, I was associated with the students as principal, and for 18 years as a lecturer, and moreover, I love young people. I love young people because there is exuberance. They are dynamic. They have enthusiasm. In their bodies, their blood can boil. Blood can boil. It can reach the boiling point. And I always love to be amongst the young people. The young dynamic members of the teaching staff and non-teaching staff of this group, they all gave me pleasure. They accorded me respect. I am thankful to them. Friends, we say 15th of August is our Independence Day. Actually, what happened on 15th of August 1947? The Union Jack of British Empire was lowered down and the Indian tricolor was hoisted. We got independence. We all were elated with joy and pride that the Union Jack has been lowered down and the Indian tricolor has been hoisted. It was a freedom. Indeed, it was a matter of joy. Indeed, it was a matter of pride. But friends, let me ask you one simple question. What we got on 15th of August 47, was it a real freedom? I would put it like that it was a political freedom. The country had become free. The country had become independent. The country had the sovereignty, everything. But what about the people of this country? More than 73 or 74 years have passed. With the passage of time, though this country has made tremendous progress in all the fields we have made tremendous progress, and I have no hesitation and any reservation to state like that, to assert like that. Well, let me ask you a simple question. Do you feel that you are free? Unfortunately, we say the salient feature of our democratic country is that there is unity in diversity. People of different faiths, people of different religions, people who hail from different communities, people who belong to different creeds are there. This diversity is there, and still we say their unity is there. The word unity, in my opinion, is very ambiguous. I want to ask a very simple question. Tagore had explained in Gitanjali his idea of freedom. Tagore, before we got independence, had elucidated the idea of freedom. The question that Tagore asked, in this country, is everybody free? Is there no fear in the minds of the people of this country? Is mind or brain is held high? Am I have all the opportunities? Have the people acquired wisdom? Have the stream of outdated practices have been abandoned? How the stream of reason, the stream of vision is alive, or has it gone miles away in the desert? My friends, answer to all these questions is no. Is common man allowed to hold his head high? What is happening in some states today? Still there is tyranny of the landlords and zamindars and jagirdars. Till there are disputes in the name of religion, caste and creed. These all are in the words of Tagore, the narrow domestic walls. I would like you to understand the word domestic. These are not created by all. The society seems to be broken in fragments. The society appears to be broken in pieces. And these narrow domestic walls, which takes man away from man. Has it stopped? No. No. Still there are narrow domestic walls, and on the basis of these narrow domestic walls, which we have ourselves created, if anybody is Hindu, if anybody is Muslim, if anybody is Buddha, anybody is Sikh, God produced each and everybody as the best product that the human being. God didn't give us the label of Hindu. God didn't give the label that we are Muslims, or we are Buddha, or we are Christians, or we are Sikhs. These are the labels that we have put on heads of the people who live in the country. Friends, 74 years have passed, but still we have not been able to achieve this in spite of tremendous progress we have made. Here, when one person meets the other person, there is a mask on the face of A and there is mask of face B. Today, we are compelled to have the mask that is different. That is different. But one person meets another person with a mask on the head, that is the mask of a religion. That is the mask of a caste. That is the mask of several things. And now, especially, one person meets other person, both the persons have political mask on their head. Political mask on their head. So as if religion, creed, caste were not sufficient, we have introduced this new mask that is we call the political mask. We have to refrain ourselves from all these things. And if we could be able to make this country great, why is our country not making progress in spite of our several achievements? I don't deny that the country has not made any progress. There is no reason, there is no reservation, there is no hesitation that I should deny that the country has not made a tremendous progress. Country has made the tremendous progress. Ladies and gentlemen, people have not been able to make any progress. In India, we find that there are two classes. If you go to Mumbai, on the Pedder Road or Nepean Sea Road, on one side we have the multi-storied building. We have the multi-storied buildings, And at the same time, if you go to the Sion, and in front of the Sion station, you will find the Dharavislav area. On one side, we are rich, but at the same time, we find that there are people who find it difficult to make their both ends meet. It is really impossible for the people. And now we are experiencing this, that even the people who are supposed to belong to different classes in the society, they are also suffering. Main reason is we forget that the people who live in the sacred country called India or Bharat, there is alienation among themselves, there is separation among themselves, and therefore people are not ready to make any progress. Yes, you may have obtained several degrees. You may be intelligent, you may be powerful, but is ordinary man, is common man, and who occupies 80% place in the society, are they free? Are they happy? My friends, we have now, the time has come to concentrate on this, that the country has made progress. Now we have to think of the progress of the people who are less fortunate, whose life is miserable, there are problems they are confronted with. What can I do for the society? What should be my contribution to build the society? I have to think. I am not pointing at you, I am pointing at me. What should I do to contribute toward the progress of the people? And friends, let us resolve on this Independence Day that unity in diversity, there should be real unity in spite of diversity. We have to contribute, we have to make endeavors, we have to make earnest efforts, we have to make ardent endeavors for that. And you all are young people. I am not referring to the people on the dais. They are already bearing their responsibility and performing their duties and responsibilities. I am also very fortunate to be amongst the Corona warriors today. The soldiers are guarding or defending or protecting our boundaries of the country. They are warriors. Friends, this pandemic has created warriors in the society also. And that's great. That's great. A person, whether he is a doctor, whether she is a nurse, whether he belongs to the supporting staff, and whether he belongs to police force, they are real warriors, and during the last 3 or 4 months, they have proved that they are real warriors of the society. They are real warriors of the society. Several doctors, while treating the corona patients, sacrifice their lives. Even our police friends, generally we don't talk good about police department. But this time they have proved that they are as valiant, as brave as the soldiers on the border. Because to patrol or to move in the corona affected area, help the patients, give them food, give them ration, isn't it? It's not a ordinary thing. If there is a corona patient in a family, his thanking, his nearest relatives even try to desert him. They are not going to help the corona patient who is the member of their family. But what relation these police staff have with them? What relation? Generally, it is a human tendency that we have a special place in our heart for our relatives. But I can say with pride that they are the real warriors who are taking care of the society and the people. They deserve all appreciation, and I would like to request you to give a big round of applause for these Corona warriors. Ladies and gentlemen, we are grateful to them. We are indeed thankful to these Corona warriors, maybe a doctor, maybe a nurse, maybe a supporting member of a supporting staff, maybe a jhaduwala in the hospital, and maybe right from chief minister to even ordinary cop, ordinary policeman who is standing on the road and trying to ensure that everything is in order, everything is all right. I salute them. I salute them, and I thank the management of this esteemed group, principals, vice principal, to accord me a very, to show me a wonderful gesture by inviting me to be the chief guest of this Independence Day program. Before I conclude, I once again extend my feelings, genuine feelings of gratitude to the management, to the principal, to the vice principal, and to the members of the academic and non-academic staff. And again I wish you best wishes, and here I say adieu, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom and acquired knowledge. As we all know, the whole world is suffering from COVID-19 pandemic, and in this situation also the people like doctors, nurses, police, civil defense volunteers and many others are working day and night without caring for their lives. So we take this opportunity to salute and felicitate all those warriors who are at the forefront in the fight against Corona. We appreciate contribution of all the COVID warriors towards our society and nation. I would like to request all the dignitaries to do the felicitation of all the warriors. Firstly, I call Secretary of Maharashtra Pradesh Congress Committee and in charge of Bhandara District Congress Committee, the social worker Shri Mujib Pathan. I request Honorable Shri Anil Hood sir to do the honors. All ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. Police Inspector Mr. Asif Raza Sheikh and his team, I request Honorable Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil to do the honors. Next, reporter of Navbharat Press, Mr. Nasir Sheikh, I request Honorable Professor Sandeep Gaikwad to do the honors. Next, Dr. Raman Chaudhary from Chaudhary Hospital. I request Honorable Dr. S.S. Rathod to do the honors. Next, medical shop owner Mr. Shailesh Wankhede. I request Honorable Dr. Prashant Kadu to do the honors. Social worker Mr. Nagesh Ashok Girhe. I request Honorable Dr. Ankush Mankar sir to do the honors. Next, Police Mitra Miss Naina Gai Samudre. I request Honorable Shri Anil Hood sir to do the honors. Thank you all. Now I request all the dignitaries to please release our annual college magazine, Ripples. For this, I would like to call Ms. Neha Mogre and Mr. Jitu Sahasrabudde, the faculty editors of Ripples, to please join along with the dignitaries for the release of magazine. Ripple is the college official annual magazine which aims to provide the records of the college activities and achievements of fellow, staff, student and alumni with interesting articles of student. I request all of you to give a big round of applause. Thank you all. Now I request all the dignitaries to please take their seat off the dais. I request all the dignitaries to please take their seats on the dais. Now I would like to request Ms. Radharaman Saha to proceed with the function. Please, sir.
A very warm good morning to one and all. We are indeed honored and grateful by the presence of the Corona warriors and the dignitaries in our campus today. As the world is today moving in the online platform, so we have a set of inaugurations in our campus today. Recently, the Facilitation Center of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institutions is approved by Directorate of Technical Education, and we are following all the norms laid as per the statutory bodies like social distancing, sanitization, thermal scanning of the candidates. And now I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Shri Anil Hood sir, to please inaugurate our center online. Sir, please. नहीं, लैपटॉप का कॉर्ड नहीं आएगा. in this COVID era, everything is getting online and visualized. So we have the visual tour of our campus. Now I request to play the visual tour.
Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution was founded by Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil in the year 2007 with the interest in education, infrastructure and IT. He founded 2 engineering colleges, 2 colleges of Polytechnic, 1 college of architecture and management and Gaikwad Patil International School. Let's have a look on one of the most promising private engineering Raj, Nagpur University and approved by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi and approved by DTE Maharashtra State. Civil engineering, electrical engineering.
Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution always strives for the quality education, and to continue this legacy, this year we have introduced 3 new programs. BTech in Biotechnology, BE in Aeronautical Engineering and MTech program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. These programs are approved by AICTE New Delhi and affiliated to Rashtrasan Tukhroji Maharaj Nagpur University. Students are the most important part of any institutions, and as in this situation we are apart from our students. To complete this, we have connected with our students and we have organized some competitions related to the patriotic theme, such as the dance, speech and song. These are some of the glimpses of that.
From Civil Department. मेरे देश तेरी रंगत पे मैं कुर्बान, तेरे दामन में हर कोई रहता है, मेरी जिंदगी तेरे लिए ही है मेरे वतन, हर वक्त तू इस दिल में रहता है, मैं क्यों ना मनाऊं खुशी हरदम, क्योंकि मेरे हिंदुस्तान तुझसे ही है मेरी लगन, है मेरे हिंदुस्तान तुझ जैसा देश नहीं इस दुनिया में, तुझसे इतना प्यार कि तेरे लिए मरने को तैयार है हम हरदम। मोइन को मिला है सब कुछ इस वतन से, मिला है मोहब्बत का पैगाम वतन से, मेरी सारी जिंदगी तेरे लिए ही कुर्बान, ऐ वतन बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुझसे।
74th Independence Day of our nation. As we all know, that enabled independence on 15th of August 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our own nation, in our own was for the India of the world.
Independence Day is celebrated as the national festival of our country. This day is marked as the anniversary governed by so
have thought of. We must strive harder every day of our life for a better India. This is prosperous and equal regime that we shall never in the
British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent.
Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology is recently awarded with the grant for conference in the emerging area of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and very soon we are going to organize this e-conference. So this is the preparation for us.
Thank you, sir. We are indeed lucky to live an independent country. Our freedom has been very expensive, and we must see that we have to retain our freedom with respect and honor. We must stand united and strong. Our one and only identity is that we are Indian. Now, I would like to request Honorable Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil to felicitate our today's chief guest, Honorable Shri Anil Hood. Thank you, sir. Gratitude makes sense of your past, bring peace for today, and create a vision for tomorrow. Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who made this program a grand success, I take pleasure in inviting Professor Pranjali Lute to propose vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I feel honored and privileged to propose vote of thanks on this bright and auspicious occasion of 74th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. Freedom is a gift. It is a gift of sacrifices, sleepless nights, brutal tortures, and struggle did by our forefathers. This freedom that we cherish today owes itself to the struggle of our great freedom fighter. I, Pranjali Lute, on behalf of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, feel immense pleasure to extend my most sincere thanks to Honorable Chief Guest, Academic and Administrative Consultant, Shri Anil Hood Sir, for accepting our invitation. We are really enlightened with your knowledge and presence. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to our Honorable Chairman, Gaikwad Patil Group, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil sir, for his support and motivation that always help us and encourage us to work in the right direction. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Treasurer, Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad sir, for his consistent guidance. I express my sincere thanks to all directors of this institution for their support. I also wish to express my gratitude to all the respected principals of institution run by Gaikwad Patil Group for the support and encouragement. I am very grateful to Vice Principal Professor Pragati Patil Ma'am for giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I would like to extend my thanks to all HODs, teaching, non-teaching staff members and support staff who have put an efforts to make this event a grand success. I wish to conclude my remark by devoting few lines for our nation. ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता। नोटों में भी लिपट कर, सोने में भी सिमट कर, नोटों में भी लिपट कर, सोने में भी सिमट कर मरे हैं कई, मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता, मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता। Thank you very much. Once again, happy independence to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I request all dignitaries to kindly proceed for tree plantation organized by National Service Scheme.